Hello and welcome to RepairSolutionsPRO how-to video series. My name is Steve Caruso, and in this video we're going to show you the full diagnostic and repair process for DTC P0456 evaporative emission system small leak detected on a 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Let's get started. Before jumping into diagnostics, always start with a full inspection of the vehicle. Document the symptoms and background information. This includes when did the problem first start? What did the driver notice? Were there any previous repairs? What was the driving conditions when the problem occurred? Were there any warning lights, smells, or strange noises when the problem also occurred? This information will help you prepare your diagnostic strategy and possibly reduce your repair time. Once you gathered the information, go ahead and start with a visual inspection of the whole EVAP system before moving on to detailed diagnostics. First, check for torn intake boots, broken or missing vacuum lines or tees, and any other cracked, broken, or disconnected wiring harnesses. And then move on to the gas cap, if applicable, and the EVAP hoses. Here we found the EVAP hose that was damaged. It's cracked and leaking, so it needs to be replaced, since this is one of the causes of the fault. At the same time, keep checking the rest of the EVAP system, like electrical connectors, eSIM assembly, purge valve, canister, and all the seals and gaskets for crack, looseness, damage, or wear. Make sure all the hoses are fitting properly and are connected and there are no kinks, blockages, or debris. For more details, check the service manual or any relevant TSB. After the visual inspection's been completed, connect your scan tool to the DLC. Turn the key to the on position, engine off. Use the tool to retrieve diagnostic trouble codes and freeze frame data. In this case, we're dealing with the P0456 evaporative emission system small leak detected. That means the PCM has detected a small leak in the EVAP system. Look at the freeze frame data to understand the engine conditions when the code was stored, such as fuel tank pressure sensor value and eSIM switch status. These details help recreate the conditions that triggered the fault. Next, review the vehicle's service and maintenance history. This includes any work that may have been done recently, like fuel or EVAP system repairs. You also need to search for any TSBs related to the code for the vehicle's year and model. Now that we've confirmed the EVAP hose is broken, we're going to replace it. Follow this procedure step by step for both removal and installation. Please note that fuel fumes can catch fire, so no smoking or open flames. Always wear safety goggles and gloves. The EVAP hoses are located in the engine compartment on the left side of the intake manifold. Let's begin the removal process. Unplug the wiring harness connector from the EVAP purge valve. Detach the purge valve from its mounting bracket. Remove the air intake box. Remove the hose clips and disconnect the hoses. Install the new hoses and secure them with the clips. Reattach the purge valve and plug in the wiring harness connector. Reinstall the air intake box. Reinstall the engine cover. Once the EVAP hose has been replaced, it's time to confirm that the evaporative system has no leaks and that the EVAP hose fixes the concern. Follow these steps. 1. Clear the diagnostic trouble codes, freeze frame, and I&M readiness data stored in the vehicle's computer using your scan tool. 2. Review the trip cycle for the evaporative system monitor with the vehicle in the key-on engine running position, and ensure the monitor icon is showing green or gray, which means it's enabled. You can now follow the trip cycle in the tool or follow the trip as outlined in your service manual or emissions guide. This ensures the OBD system rechecks that the EVAP system is operating correctly. 3. After completing the trip or drive cycle, use the scan tool to check for I&M readiness monitor status, pending or confirmed DTCs. If there are no codes present and the I&M readiness status is green, then the repair is complete. This concludes the full repair and diagnostic process for DTC P0456 evaporative emission system leak detected, very small leak, on a 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee 3.6 liter engine. Thanks for watching, and for more information visit pro.repairsolutions.com. See you soon.